How many times have you had difficulty in getting the right parts in at the right time to maintain a safe and productive operation? How much time do you spend looking for spares in your inventory, calling suppliers or manufacturers? What would the impact to your facility be if you could standardize and streamline your MRO inventory?
The reason why we started trying to do this is because of manpower. Went to monitoring, where you sit behind a computer and you pull up the graphs, charts, and so forth, and it tells you exactly what you would have saw if you went up there physically.
So knowing a motor is going out early warning, like with this node system, we can plan this. Okay, we got a box, it's getting extremely bad, and during the 5 hours that they're not running at night shift, my night shift guys could change that out, and we lose zero downtime during production hours.
Perceptiv is a combination of hardware, software, and humanware. It's a new way to interact with all of your Regal products. For more information or to find out how Perceptiv could benefit your facility, visit perceptiv.com.